Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, and we are on revision. Yesterday Akshar, yes, has posted some doubts, so that doubt I will clear. Question was, identify the pairs of angles which are complementary and those which are supplementary. You know, complementary are the angles whose sum comes 90 degree. For example, for 50 and 40, so 50 degree plus 40 degree gives 90, so that angle is complementary angle. So when you add two angles, if they come 180, then they are supplementary. So here you can see 48 degree plus 42. So 48 plus 42 gives me 90 degree. So I say this is a complement. These are complementary angles. 79 plus 101 gives me 180 degree. 180 degree is supplementary angles. Okay, 180 is the sum of supplementary angles. So these two angles are supplementary angles. 37 and half means 37.5, 52 and half means 52.5. So 37.5 plus 52.5 gives me 90.0, that is 90 degrees. So I say these angles are complementary. No need for such questions right now. Okay, so this is not there. Then this, if you'll see, just add it. How we have added, I'll explain. 35 degree 49 minutes, 144 degree 11 minutes. Okay, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry 0, 4 5 6, so here 6, then 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 4 7, 1 and 1 here. But now this is 60 minutes. You know, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So since this 60 minutes means 1 degree, so what you have to do is you have to transfer this 1 here. So this 179 degree becomes 180 and here 0 0. So 180 degree is which type? So these are which types of angles now? Supplementary angles. Okay. Next, addition. These two, whether these two are supplementary or complementary, by looking these two you should understand what they will be. Addition, obviously they will be 180 only, right? But looking at these two numbers you should understand whether it is supplementary or complementary. So 0 6 9 5 9 7 1. All right, now you know that 61 minute equals to 60 seconds. So these are 60 seconds. So 60 seconds I have transferred here. Now this became 60 minutes plus 1 here. Why? Because 60 seconds is 1 minute. So 1 minute, since it is minute, I have transferred here. So 179 degrees, 60 minutes, 0 seconds. Again 1 minute, again 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. So this 60 minutes turns into degree. Again plus 1. So 180 degree plus. Okay. So what is the answer? 180 degree is an supplementary. Sorry. These two are supplementary angles as the sum is coming 180 degree. Okay, use little common sense. Question is whether it is supplementary or complementary. When I add this, I'll get near 180 degree. Okay, so directly supplementary you can write. Use little, here also same thing. 144 plus 35. Obviously it is more than 90. Means it will come under supplementary. Okay, so rest you can solve, I think so. Just check what plus this will come. 100 plus 80 what will come? 75 plus 105. 70 degree plus 20 degree. Okay. So I hope you have understood. And okay Akshar, I hope you have understood. Now we'll have mean and median revision. Revision means I'm not giving extra questions. I have already told in previous videos. Just explanation. Those who have joined, those who are asking me the position of maths now. Okay, for them. So lesson number 34, mean and median. Mean is sum of all the values upon number of values. Median is how to find median? Arrange in an array, that is ascending or descending order. Find middle term. If two middle terms are there, a plus b upon 2 you have to do. Means addition of two middle terms upon 2. So just example was given. Now since for mean there is no need to find out no need to arrange in descending and ascending order. So 75030600914. So directly sum of values. So 7 7 plus 5 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So divided by 10. Total was coming 35 upon 10, 3.5 upon 10. Okay. Now, first 8 natural numbers. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sum of values, you know, add all. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till 8 upon 8. Why 8? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, I can give first 5 also in exam. I can give first 7 also. I can give first 10 also. So accordingly you have to change. Miss had said up to 8 means it will, no. First 7 I can give, first 5 I can give, first 10 also I can give. Okay. Same way with first 6 even natural number, first 5 even natural number I can say. Just add them divided by number of, if it is 6 divided by 6, if you are 8 divided by 8. Okay. Now one question with which, okay, x wala. So values are 18, 28, x, 32, 14 and 36. Mean is 23. Find x. Okay. Now the value is x. Means the information which is there with it is x, right? And the mean is given. So mean is formula. You know the formula. 20 mean is 23. Add all the values including x upon 6 because number of values are 6. Add all the values except x. So 23, and here cross multiplication. 23 multiplied by 6 is equal to x plus x will remain here, and rest all you have to add this and this. Okay. So after adding rest you get 128. Now my final equation is this. You know transposition. So keep x and transpose 128. So 138 minus 128, which is 10. Okay. One more I'll give. Values x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8. Mean is 13, x. Okay, x you have to find out. So mean is sum of values upon number of values. Mean is given 13. Substitute and just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While explaining video I had told datas or information or values or observations, these are separated by commas. So count according to comma, not according to 1, 2, 3. Wrong it will be. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Okay, last year what they did is they were counting this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So their answer was wrong because these are 1, 2, 3. Values are separated by commas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, remember that thing, nothing else I'll say. So just add all the x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5x. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, 20. And cross multiplication, 13 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5x plus 20. So transpose all constants to one side and x to one side. Okay. So what you know what I have done here, I have brought this 5x plus 20 this and this here. Okay, so 5x equals to 65 minus 20. So 5x equals to 45, x equals to 45.5, which is 9. Okay. Now, okay. This is the syllabus again came in between. Those who don't know, they will see now. Okay. This is the pattern paper once again. Median is left, right? Now median 21. Now these were the numbers, these were the data, these were the values which were given, and these are arranged in already in array form. You can see, so no much issues, but in exam please check whether they are arranged or not, otherwise you have to arrange. So array form I have written, and then one from here I have cut one, from here. This goes easy, with no confusion. Here, 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 here. What is left? 24. So 24 is the median. This is when odd numbers of values are there. But sometimes you will see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here even numbers. So what we have to do is arrange this in array form. You can see here. So median is, I told you, cancel one here, 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 here. 2 are left. I cannot, if I cancel then nothing is. So these two I have to consider. So median is 20 upon 23 upon 2. 20 plus 23 upon 2, which equals to 43 upon 2 is equal to 21.5. Okay. So mean and median revision we have done. I have explained doubt sent by Akshar. So those who have doubts, please send within tomorrow. Please send all the doubts so that today itself it's better if you send all the doubts, because when I'll make video next Monday, I can post that video with doubt clearance. Okay, I hope you are preparing well and you will do well. And this time paper will not be that much easy, please. You're getting much time to study. Okay. So I have kept a little difficult this time because last two papers were really very easy. So this time it won't be the case. Please study hard to get good marks. Otherwise, nothing else. Little percentage will come down. That's all right. I think so. No, I'm telling you, this time paper will be little difficulty level I'm going to increase this time. Okay. So thank you so much and take care. And please do send the doubts as early as possible so that I can clear it as early as possible. Thank you.